I use the ABACUS book, I would say, that explores more of the virtual reality experience of the human body. And this particular product, which has a book component that is quite interactive, not only in terms of the visuals on page with all the text, easily digestible, but also how that translates into the virtual space. And this here also comes with a virtual goggles. In this case, you will need your phone and get the app. To download the app, you'll find VR Human Body, Virtual Reality Human Body, known as the Abacus brand INC Education, and this is found either on the Google Play or the Apple Store. You can experience it either using the augmented reality or also the virtual reality. And it also comes with a massive banner that you can hang up in your room. For my case, I tried putting it in my classroom, but the interesting thing about it is that it's quite fragile. It tends to rip really easily. So I had one of the librarians to help me to laminate it so that it will last long, and it really worked perfectly. And augmented reality feature comes with it where once you place your goggles on it, it's actually going to show you a nice, I would say, 3D view of critical organs around the chest region or the torso, looking at the heart, the lungs, a little bit of the brain and the intestine, your rectum, and all that cool stuff. I tried checking out all the particular part in that particular poster, but it doesn't provide any much features concerning that. But other than that, moving into a little bit more interactive as well, we have the particular model of the human body where you have not only the skin covering, but also when you open it up, you get to see the skeletal system, not really complete, but it gives you a little bit of a general feel of the specific skeletal system. Also, it provides critical organs, I would say, except the brain is not there. I wish the brain was included, but it has the lungs, the heart connected to the diaphragm, and then the stomach, and you have those connected to the small and the large intestine, and that is all. Oh, and the back is where the kidneys are located. Also, I found the experience of assembling really cool and fascinating in terms of not only seeing how everything connects, but there are adapters in terms of how the shapes are set up so that you don't miss the particular connections of one organ to the next. It's really nice also for students to pace themselves if they want to be able to test how fast they can assemble it. It's pretty cool to see them kind of compete with each other, time themselves, see how fast they can assemble the entire body system based on this particular models that are set right there. Also, I found that this is quite fascinating for not only younger grades to have a feel on where positions of the organs are placed in general, but also extending their thinking into the book where they get to the upper grades, they get to go in depth into how each organs are subdivided and how they work together as a group for different functions or purposes, not only looking at the digestive system, but you can have nervous system, the respiratory system, and many more, and how they all interconnect really well. So this here can be not only used in a grade 4 level, experience, but also can go all the way to university if you want. But the university part is where the book comes into play. The university one, I think the model doesn't really extend or kind of like stretch the muscles of the brain of those thinkers, and maybe potential people going into the biomedical field or biochemistry or even in the health sciences field, um, the book is definitely a nice add-on to, I would say, your anatomy and physiology textbook. Now, looking into what the potential of this particular, I would say, model has, not only into this booklet, I feel that this has a long way for not only the academic side of it, but also personal learning. In terms of academics, I feel it's a great add-on to whatever that you're learning. In terms of the human body system, I would say that in terms of the model, I wish they had more organs. I know there is another model by Discovery that allows you to explore other parts of the body. I feel this year has a lot more going down in the future. Hopefully, if they make more updates, they can add more organs to the regular ones that they have, so to give the user a much more broader experience of the human body. I also find that the augmented reality part, where you have the video that allows you to assemble the specific human body, I found that really helpful. I didn't really use it because I kind of have a sense of how this operates, but someone that is getting into the human body as an introduction, as a nice, fun activity, having the goggles inserted, no, with the video playing on the side of your eye while you are assembling it in the real space. I feel that is quite an impressive one. It might be this uncomfortable for the user because it might be a little bit of a distraction in terms of not having a full view of the entire space. Is more closed into a specific angle, but not to the peripheral vision view. So I feel that is the one thing that is definitely lacking in terms of the VR experience. But who knows what this year has to offer down in the future. So overall, I hope you found this really informative in terms of the ABACUS virtual reality human body learning set, the book that comes with it, produced or published by DK. I do love the DK publishing company. They do have some really cool books that have nice visuals that compensate for the words that are showcased, and how the book comes to life through the virtual reality component in there. Hope you found this really informative. Drop down to the comment section and let me know your thoughts if you purchased this particular booklet or this particular educational tool, and using it in a classroom. How was it like? And also your own experience, specifically speaking, how was it like? Drop down to the comment section and let me know your thought about this. But that way I can talk to you soon. Stay smart as always.